offshore trust has long been considered the gold standard of asset protection. A trust in jurisdictions such as the Cook Islands, Nevis, Belize has some of the strongest creditor protection that the law provides. Now, when you place your assets into the offshore trust, we generally also establish a limited liability company. The offshore trust owns 100% of the LLC, and the LLC in turn opens an offshore bank account. You are also the initial manager of the LLC and the initial bank account signatory. Hi, I'm the business guy, and today we're going to talk about how an offshore trust can protect your assets from lawsuits. In fact, I've been in the asset protection field since 1991. Our company started in 1906. We have attorneys on our staff, and we're the nation's largest asset protection firm. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please click the like button below and enter your comments. And you can also click the subscribe button so that when more videos come out like this, you'll get notified. Now, we have offshore trust clients with a couple $100,000 they want to protect, all the way up to families who have in excess of $1 billion that they don't want to lose, and just about everything in between. Now, when somebody threatens your assets, the offshore trustee is a company / law firm that can step in to protect you. As an example, just the other day down in Florida, a judge in one of our clients' cases says, "Give me the money," and then our offshore law firm, which is the trustee, which is not under the jurisdiction of our local courts here, wrote back and said they do not comply with foreign court orders. After all, your local court does not have jurisdiction in Nevis or the Cook Islands, for example. So the judge just threw up his hands and said there's nothing he could do. And our client called us so excited you thought he had won the lottery. An offshore trust can discourage unscrupulous legal claims, protect your assets, and is regarded as one of the best estate planning, asset protection, and wealth management structures you can buy. So let's break down how we can work with you to establish your own offshore trust. Okay, now here's the structure. First of all, the settler. The settler is the individual who establishes the trust and places his or her assets into the trust. This can be you, for example. The trustee. An offshore trust requires at least one trustee, preferably a licensed trustee company / law firm that is within the jurisdiction where the trust is established. And this is where our Nevis or Cook Islands law firm steps in. As trustee, our law firm guards the assets placed in the trust and is required to act on or administer those assets for the benefit of the beneficiaries. Beneficiary. The beneficiary or beneficiaries are those who can benefit from the trust, and this can include any person that the settler chooses. Usually now, beneficiaries consist of the settler and or his or her family members. So with a Nevis or Cook Islands trust, you can set up the trust as the settler and also be a beneficiary and still protect your assets from lawsuits. In most other places, you cannot enjoy asset protection and still be the beneficiary of the trust you set up. The protector. The protector is an optional position, and it's appointed by the settler under the terms of the trust deed. Now, the protector can oversee and approve actions taken by the trustee. And again, this position is optional. And if you have one, should be a person outside of the country where you live. Otherwise, the judge could force his or her hand to act against your best interest. As a conclusion, once your offshore trust is established, it will enjoy substantial asset protection benefits. But an umbrella is of no use unless it has something to protect from the rain. So we also assist with the establishment of a bank account, and we have contacts with numerous SEC-registered investment advisors in a number of global financial centers such as Switzerland. The accounts we help you establish can access global investment markets assisted by some of the best investment advisors on the planet, or index funds set up to preserve and build wealth. Now, as we stated, we can also set up an underlying company in Nevis or the Cook Islands inside of the trust that can hold an international bank or investment account in its own name. Now, one client called us a few days ago and thanked us with great passion. He had been in a legal battle that lasted 10 years and was finally resolved by the trust that we established for him. And once his opponent saw no hope of recovering any money, they folded their tent and went home. Now, if you're interested in protecting your assets with an offshore trust or simply want more information, please contact us today for a free consultation. In fact, you can call us at 1-661-310-2931 or visit assetprotectionplanners.com and fill out a free consultation form. And also, please be sure to share this video by email or Facebook, and you can enter your comments below and ask any questions. Thank you for watching. This is The Business Guy.